Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe and press the notification bell so you do not miss any uploads. I will have new uploads every week. So in today's video, I am showing you guys how I am installing my very own Microlocs. And I don't want to call them Microlocs because they're not going to be too small and not going to be too big. I am starting off on mini twists. I did dye my hair first, which was about 2 weeks ago. If you have not watched how I got this hair color, please make sure you watch the video. I'll have it linked in the description box below. So today is December 23rd. This is going to be day 1 of installing. Yesterday, I went to my favorite hairstylist. She shampooed, conditioned. I did an aloe vera steam treatment as well. She put my ends for me and parted my hair. So that is out of the way. So I'm gonna take off my bonnet so that you guys see. I know I look crazy. I'm gonna turn around. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sections. The main things, like I told her, is I don't care about my parts being perfect. I just wanted the middle part to be pretty good and the ear to ear part to be really good as well. So yeah, this is the comb I'm going to be using to get precise parting in terms of to make sure that there are straight parts all through the grid. And I say that because I'm not a licensed loctician, so this is just what I did off of my research. And I'm going to be using these little clips. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get into it. I just completed my first row. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I am done. I'm actually recording this clip later on in the day. I finished my hair like around maybe 3 o'clock, 3:30. I can't remember the exact time, but yeah, I started at 8:30. So it didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take. Right now I just have it pinned to the side. I'm about to literally put my bonnet on. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see what it's looking like. I absolutely love my hair. I love the way it came out.